What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into my channel today. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cut a watermelon. A watermelon. A watermelon. Penny, what are you doing here, Penny? A watermelon. Ha! There we go. Alright, so first we're going to need a cutting board and a knife. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first you're going to want to make a slice right here in the bottom. To make it flat. Just like that, so we'll move around. Then you're going to want to peel all the stuff off of it. All this. Alright, once you got all the skin off, then you want to cut it in half. Unless you got a bowl big enough for it. And then, well, you're going to need a bowl. Now I have to cut the sides like this a little bit. Pop that bad boy in the bowl. Whoop. Cut it like this. And voila. Perfect little cubes.